In a world full of challenges and opportunities, we keep moving forward with courage and vision. We believe that innovation is the key to progress, and quality is the foundation of trust. Rooted in 许村 Town, Haining City, 嘉兴 City, 浙江 Province, with professional technology, strict standards, and a dedicated team, we turn ideas into reality and dreams into achievements. We focus on every detail, pursue excellence in every process, and deliver reliable solutions to our partners around the world. From product development to market application, from local cooperation to global cooperation, we keep exploring, keep improving, and keep creating greater value for our customers. We are not just building products, we are building partnerships, building futures, and building a better world together. Integrity, innovation, responsibility, and win-win cooperation are always our beliefs. We stand with you, grow with you, and move forward together. Thank you for your trust and support. Let's join hands to create a brighter future.